Good day, I am Tim Priya Manzanas and today I'm introducing Easy Squeeze, the revolutionary dual cap ketchup bottle designed to eliminate waste and ensures convenience. Ketchup is a stable condiment, but traditional bottles often leaves behind significant amount of sauce, causing frustration and waste. Many users will struggle with shaking, tapping, and to extract last drops, making the experience inconvenient. There's a need for a smarter and more efficient bottle design that ensures easy access for every drop while maintaining cleanliness and preventing leakage. My solution is Easy Squeeze, a dual cap bottle featuring a self-sealing one-way valve on both ends, allowing effortlessly dispensing from either side. The design, the design utilizes gravity-assisted flow, eliminating the needs for excessive shaking. Additionally, built-in airflow optimization prevents from vacuum formation, ensuring a smooth, uninterrupted flow. Made from BPA-free food-grade materials and Easy Squeeze prioritize durability, sustainability, and ease of use. The benefits. With Easy Squeeze for user experience, we prioritize 5. Maximum efficiency. No ketchup goes to waste, saving both money and resources. Number 2. Convenience and ease. No more shaking or struggling to get the last drop. Number 3. Leak-proof design. The dual wave system prevents spills, ensuring a mess-free experience. 4. Ergonomically handling. A user-friendly, squeezable butter for people of all ages. Number 5. Sustainability. Made with recycled materials, ensuring environmental impact. Reducing environmental impact. Competition. Digital ketchup bottles, whether plastic or glass, often lead to product wastage due to poor design. Unlike our competitors, Easy Squeeze ensures near zero reusable waste. Features a dual cap system for seamless dispensing and introducing a flow control technology for effortless use. No existing product combines waste reduction, ergonomically sustainability, usability, and sustainability like Easy Squeeze. Easy Squeeze is not just a ketchup bottle, it's a game changer in food packaging, designed for convenience, efficiency, and sustainability. Thank you.